Alright guys, we are back at the shop for another day of working on the Supra. Today will be a short video, but we are putting the front end on. We were able to pick one up. As you guys can tell, we're missing a lot. So we got all our parts we need here with the nose. And we have the front bumper of a 89 and up to 90. And on our last video, we put on the rear bumper, but it's not really bolted on. We're missing tail lights. Still need to get the trigger top replaced. This one, again, like I said in the last video, flew off. We're missing the door moldings, all around moldings really. So, but in today's video, we're really just gonna get this front end taken care of. And put on. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a timeline here and get this done. And we should see how it looks at the end here. So let me go ahead and hop on this and stop doing a lot of talking. So no engine, like I said, soon to be in here, but yeah, let's get it going. Alright guys, so to get the front nose on, just some bolts right here. You guys can see bolted here and there, out here, and then it's gonna be an axis under. Let's see if we can get this under here. You guys can see up there, but right up there, there's gonna be two bolts I need to tighten, and then it'll be the same for this side. And of course, if you're just taking off the nose cover itself, it's gonna be some see under here, some bolts you gotta take off, and that's it. So we got the nose on. We're gonna go ahead and grab the bumper and put it on here real quick. At first I thought maybe the padding was too thick, but unless I did something wrong.
Yeah, it's upside down.
What's upside down?
The whole thing.
Whoa.
The whole metal thing is upside down.
Are you for real?
Well, yeah, you see how the top...
Oh! Hey man, leave. I don't need your help. Thank you. Thank you. I don't need your help. I'm not even gonna add that in the video. That's so embarrassing. That's so embarrassing. I put this upside down, bro. What? That's embarrassing. I'm not a mechanic. I like how Arvin just embarrassed me. I was just testing to see if you would figure out what was wrong with it. You always gotta test Armin, so. He passed the test. He passed the test. I purposely did that to see if Armin will figure out that it's upside down. And he passed the test. He passed the test. So bring your car to motor work.
Get it over the. I'm surprised you didn't attach the
what?
the bumper and the crash bar together. It's usually easier.
The crash bar isn't. Oh, you mean the bumper? The crash bar is in the bumper.
No. You should have attached the bar to the bumper and then in the car. It's easier that way.
Really?
Yeah. It's a lot easier that way.
All right, guys, so we are done for now. I mean, there's a lot of stuff left, but we'll continue on another day and handle this top and then get to this back bumper. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on another one.